thank you everybody for joining for this Aftal Buying Group's first of its kind product meeting. I would like to thank and welcome Mr. Kuntal Desai of TOSPRO for being a part of this meeting. So the basic idea is basically now there are problems at both ends. One side, the trade is not able to meet the doctors. On the other side, doctors are not able to meet the trade because of all the restrictions happening. And a purchase decision to buy a machine like a FECO machine is nothing different from trying to buy a car. So when you're going to buy a car, so we make a lot of inquiries, lot of we study about it, and then we want to take a demo, we do a test ride, and all those things happen. So similarly, the FECO machine is something we are going to buy and use for say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So it's one of the most important buy in the life of an ophthalmologist. And so we need to make as much research as possible before we make the buying. And we thought it's a good way to connect the trade to the doctors through the online mode and get them answer the doubts which we have about those equipment. That was the whole idea of this initiative. And as you all know, Aftal Buying Group we have launched to actually support ophthalmologists make fair purchase decisions, because whenever we buy products, we always are in a doubt whether we are buying the right product or whether we are buying the right product at the right price. And we have tied up with a lot of companies, and TOSPRO was one of the first companies which supported the initiative. They came up with a fair pricing and then a standard pricing and a special pricing for our buying group members. And regarding the product, I think Mr. Kuntal will now explain to you about the latest CR3 FECO machine, and then you can also, we'll have a small question and answer session at the end of the program. And thank you all for joining, and I hope this initiative will definitely help in making you making a right purchase decision for all of you who are interested in buying the FECO machine immediately or maybe in the near future. Over to you, Mr. Kuntal, and you can take over and then talk about the equipment which RTE has recently launched, and I think which has become very popular among ophthalmologists all over India. And thanks for getting that latest technology to India and Indian ophthalmologists. And over to you, Mr. Kuntal. I'll stop my screen sharing, and you can start talking once I stop my screen sharing. And if any of you are interested, if you're not yet a part of the buying group, please log on to our website and become a part of our buying group. And if you need any help, please do get in touch with us. Over to you, Mr. Kuntal.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Dr. Senthil, for giving us this opportunity. My name is Kuntal Desai. I am a business head for Earthly for India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. I work for TOSPRO Medical, who is a representative authorized distributor, exclusive authorized distributor for India, Bangladesh, and Nepal of Earthly. I'm sure you would all be knowing Earthly. Earthly is a Swiss company engaged only and only into designing, development, and manufacturing of surgical equipment, that is FECO machine and vitrectomy system. Basically, the organization Earthly was established in 1955. So by now, it's more than 55 years old company. And TOSPRO is having association with Earthly for last more than 23 years. It's been going very well. Actually, just before 2 years, we were enjoying the market share of about 20 to 25% of all the overall FECO emulsification system. But with the introduction of Ketrex 3N, we have re-strategized our certain marketing plans and activity. In last 2 years, we have increase our sales exponentially. And now currently for last 2 years, we have been at #1 position with 46% of a significant market share. This is all happened just because of Catrix 3, which is these days has become a quite popular model. Now, many of you would have already come to know that just before 1 month, we have launched a newer version of Catrix 3. So this program is basically, I'm going to talk about a brief introduction of, I'll start with the brief introduction of Earthly's most unique feature, which is common with all the platform which Earthly has been producing and selling, that is EasyFeco technology. This is something which has made Earthly so much more popular, and we have been giving an ultimate chamber stability, and the product and the brand is gaining the most popularity just because of this very technology. Let me just share one of the presentation very quick. EasyFeco technology is available with all the platform of Earthly, and it comes in all the 3 different sizes, that is comics 1.6 mm, 2.2 mm, and 2.8 mm. Now, the most unique thing about the EasyFeco technology is the spacing between the funnel or the capillary of the tip and the outer wall of the tip and the inner wall of the sleeve. See, typically what happens that in any when a phaco surgery is being done, and when a surgeon has fully occluded the tip, and when the occlusion breaks, there is suddenly the sudden spurt or suddenly high amount of outflow of the fluid takes place because of you are at the highest level of vacuum, as well as the whatever set value of the flow is there. Suddenly the machine starts aspirating at that amount of flow rate. Now, because of this, in the conventional, the traditional phaco tape, what happens is there is a disbalance. There is an imbalance between the amount being aspirated and the infusion liquid. And this is something which is primarily responsible because you are working in a closed chamber, and irrigation is basically a gravity fed irrigation. So it flows inside the chamber only on demand. But when there is very high demand because of the occlusion break, the amount of fluid which is available in the traditional phaco tip is always on a lower side. And this is something which creates surge in this chamber and makes the surgical experience most uncomfortable. Now, this is the basic difference between the traditional phaco tip and Earthly's EasyFeco. As you can see out here, the funnel thickness is tapered distally. Here, it is given an angle so that the entire design gives you multiple benefits. The beginning is made kind of a flared design, so it gives you maximum area to hold the nucleus. So that gives you an excellent holdability. Second thing is it has typically two cutting edge. The first cutting takes place of the nucleus particle out here at the surface, and when again the phaco power is applied, the second cutting takes place at the second surface. Now, basically, this converts into a very fine microparticles, which allows it to pass through without getting clogged or blocked in the tubing. It passes very efficiently and convenient. And the most important part is this design, as I was talking. This has been made so thinner that the ratio of the volume which will be taken out, or the aspiration flow, and the irrigation amount of irrigation liquid or irrigation fluid available for disposal is always in the ratio of 1:7. That means at any given point in time, you have 7 times larger amount of infusion liquid available at the tip. It is not flowing inside the chamber, but it is available at the tip. As I already mentioned, that this is you always are working in a very closed chamber, so it will be replacing only the fluid which is being taken out. So here the point is, since this area is so small and this area is relatively bigger, the amount of fluid which is available, which can come into chamber, is always much higher than the amount of fluid which is being taken even after the occlusion break and with a maximum aspiration flow rate. And this gives you a rock solid chamber. So this is the beauty and the secret of Earthly, why Earthly has become so much more popular, that Earthly gives you excellent holdability, very nice followability. And another good point about Earthly is the only manufacturer which provides you 6 crystal handles. So that also gives you much more efficient cutting. So in a phaco machine, any ophthalmic surgeon primarily look for the holdability. First the followability, second will be the holdability, third will be the cutting power, and the fourth most important criteria would be the chamber stability. So all these 4 things Earthly machine provides, and there is no sophisticated electronic involved in this. This is fundamental physics, nothing but fundamental physics, that the amount of infusion liquid is 7 times larger than the fluid which can be aspirated, and that ensures the chamber stability. So this is something which is never going to fail in whatever circumstances you have. Now, let me show you a small video. I can see a couple of questions popping up. I would prefer to answer them once I have completed my presentation. And there are 2 small 3-minute videos are there. So you can keep on posting the questions. I will be replying all of them individually. One after the other. Hope my screen share is working and it's available. Just a moment.
How does EasyPhaco work in practical use? EasyPhaco is precise fluidics based on physics invented by Oertli. You start your phaco-assisted cataract surgery as usual with the main incision and paracentesis, as well as the capsulorhexis. The following steps are important for the best user experience. First, only a proper hydrodissection releases the fluidics. Second, change tip habits. The main key for the fluidics to develop their full power is a proper hydrodissection and, if necessary, a hydrodelineation until the lens can be fully rotated. You can use your preferred technique to start, stop and chop, or divide and conquer, using a helping instrument or not. Now comes the mind changer for the tip habits. The bevel of the EasyTip increases the efficiency exponentially the larger the surface is. The design might look sharp at first sight, but it is not. Turn the bevel sideways to increase the efficiency of EasyPhaco. The bevel is always pointing towards the fragment to reach full occlusion. Remember, occlusion is your best friend. Holding the bevel sideways at 11 or 1 o'clock towards the fragment provides maximum performance. This practice is based on the new tip generation with a 30 or higher degree bevel. Stay with the tip in the center. The advantage is a safe distance to the capsular bag. The EasyPhaco fluidics based on physics bring the fragments to the tip, while the capillary aspiration path prevents post-occlusion surge. This is your new safety feature and will change your mind. The recommended settings for the quadrant removal with EasyTip 2.2 mm in combination with the unique speed mode are 40 milliliter flow, 400 millimeter mercury vacuum. For further settings, please check our website. With EasyPhaco, surgeons experience a quick learning curve with great outcomes. The take-home message is, start with a proper hydrodissection. Hold the tip opening always at 11 and 1 o'clock. Occlusion is your best friend. Stay with the tip in the center. The fluidics does the work. Change your mind. EasyPhaco, precise fluidics based on physics, invented by Oertli.
Now, I just come over to the next unique thing which most recently he has done. So, and that is speed mode. Speed mode actually was introduced approximately 5 years before in the highest most platform, OS 4, and then subsequently it was also introduced in Pharos, and now Cataracts 3 also has. See, if I very quickly introduce you and brief you about the speed mode. SPEEP, actually SPEEP. SPEEP stands for speed and precision. Doctors, as you all know, that in phacoemulsification, conventionally, 2 pump systems are available. The first one is Venturi pump system, which is a vacuum-based, vacuum-driven system. As you all know that you can control only vacuum linearly with the help of foot pedal. You cannot control flow in case of Venturi pump system. The flow rate, aspiration flow rate is always in correspond to the value of the vacuum you have set. So suppose if you are, as a thumb rule, if you are working at 400 vacuum, the corresponding flow, aspiration flow of 40 ml will automatically be selected, and the equipment will be, 40 ml aspiration will be by default, it will be taking place. So which means that you do not have any control on the flow rate. Now, since the vacuum is always available, And as you go on increasing the vacuum, the corresponding flow rate also increases. Venturi is considered to be a fast response or a faster pump mechanism. The second type of pump mechanism is peristaltic pump. Peristaltic pump is a flow-driven mechanism where you can control the flow, but you do not have any control on vacuum. For vacuum buildup, you need to have occlusion. The tip is fully occluded, then it reaches the maximum set value. If tip is not occluded, it does not build full vacuum. Now, see, typically, what happens that there are certain conditions, like for example, if you are doing cortex, the removal of sticky cortex, where you need a higher amount of vacuum, but increasing the flow is something which will be creating a lot of discomfort. Similarly, in phaco, after, see, when you start with the, I mean, even if you're doing direct shock, when there is the bag is full with the nucleus, you do not have any possibility or any fear of surge. But only when the bag is becoming empty, that means when 70 or more than 75 to 80% nucleus has been removed, the bag is relatively empty, and that is the place where you have maximum possibility of chamber getting, becoming shallower, and the chances of catching hold of posterior capsule. Now, in that case, ideally, a surgeon would want to have a combination of Venturi and a peristaltic pump. What does it mean? A surgeon ideally needs control of the vacuum as well as of the flow. So Oertli has developed and introduced exactly the same unique device, which is a result of human engineering and understanding the surgeon's need, that it gives you both the liberty to control vacuum as well as the flow. In SPEEP, with the SPEEP mode or SPEEP pump system, when you activate that, you can control suppose you have reached the occlusion and you feel that, no, this is making my chamber shallower or creating, uncomfortable situation or making it little risky. And if you want, you want to reduce vacuum, you can linearly reduce vacuum from suppose 450 is the vacuum, you want to come back to 400 or 350 linearly, you can do that. Conventionally, in none of the peristaltic system, it is possible. You must have experienced that in peristaltic system, if there is an occlusion, the moment you do the reverse action of the foot pedal, you will be releasing the vacuum, and the vacuum will drop down to near zero level. Whereas in this case, you can still remain, you can be in a position where the nucleus or the cortex still remain engaged, and you can slightly, depending on your requirement, which makes the entire chamber much more stable. If you want to reduce it from, say, for example, 450 vacuum to 400 or 350, you can do that with the help of foot pedal. At the same time, the flow remains constant at a lower parameter, which you have selected in the preset. So for example, when ideally what we recommend and what Oertli recommends is SPEEP mode is to be used when you have more than 75% or 80% bag is empty, or removal of cortex, where you can have a fixed flow rate. So the flow rate will be controlled up to that level. Suppose if you have selected flow rate of 20 or 25, the flow you can linearly increase or reduce within the range of 20 or 25, whatever is the preset value. And once the full vacuum is achieved, you can do the linear control of vacuum. You can reduce, and again, when everything is stable, the chamber is stable, and you feel that no, you still need slightly higher vacuum, you can increase the. Basically, the function in FACO, the function or the requirement of vacuum, as you all know, is to attract something and to pull your part of nucleus and cortex out of the tubing system. Whereas the flow rate is something which decides the speed of the entire operation. So ideally, in a very ideal situation, you need a perfect combination of both flow rate as well as the vacuum. And SPEEP mode or SPEEP pump system is the only one which gives you both the liberty by keeping the flow rate maximum, so that you are introducing safety, that even when the occlusion breaks, even and if you are a highest vacuum, you know that you have limited the flow rate to 20 or 25 ml. So even when the vacuum will break, it will start, the system will start aspirating or draining out things not more than 25 ml flow rate. So that is the whole mechanism which gives you a lot of safety as well as liberty to work with your wish, combining both the parameters according to your desire, according to situational demand. Whenever you want higher vacuum, you can work with higher vacuum. When you want to reduce vacuum, you can reduce vacuum, which is not otherwise available with any of the peristaltic system. And you can limit the flow rate. So you can have a combination of low flow and high vacuum, which is otherwise not available with any of the Venturi's mechanism. So this is something which is a wonderfully, it's really a wonderful and a very beneficial feature, which is now available even with Catrax 3. It was very well appreciated by the surgeon when we have given demonstration of OS4, and then since almost for more than last 2 years, we were demonstrating Pharos with this feature, but now luckily Earthly has incorporated that into Catrax 3 as well. Let me show you a small video on that. Now, I would like to take the questions. I have a couple of questions already posted. Does Catrax 3 use EasyTip as standard accessory for or separate? No. All, as I already mentioned, that all Earthly platform now comes with Easy Paper Tape only as a standard accessories. We supply, or now Earthly has standardized, they supply only Easy Paper. There are no non-Easy Tape available from Earthly at the moment. Dr. Chetan has been asking, in case of new autoclavable tubing, there is issue of chamber being unstable. Doctor, is it the case from the after 2-3 autoclave that tubing becomes normal? I am not able to comprehend. Means before 2-3 autoclave, you have unstable chamber, and then after 2-3 autoclave it becomes stable. Is that what you mean to say? And normally it should not, I mean, this should not be the scenario. If you can share your detail, like where are you from? I would like to depute my technical expert to make an inspection of your system. Whether you are, opening a brand new tubing, and see, officially they recommend 10 autoclave cycle, but our experience is at least up to 60 or 70 autoclave cycles. Of course, there are instances where people have been, doctors have been using it for more than 100 autoclave cycle, but our recommendation is not to overuse it more than 60, 70 autoclave cycle, because then there is a risk involved. Yes, sir, in case of new autoclave tubing, certainly it should not happen. It's not, I would like to get the machine inspected. I would, okay, fine. I have noted your location. I'll ask one of my technical expert to get in touch with you. Certainly, we would be glad to help you out with this issue. If there are any more questions, I would be happy to answer them. Okay, fine. See, the current price, the regular price is 19.50, but we have offered an extraordinary deal for the Ophthal buying group, and that is 18.65 is the price, where you have to pay 25% advance, and the remaining amount you have to pay in 10 equated monthly installment. But this is only if you are a registered member of Ophthal group. You will have to log in your requirement with them. They will be forwarding us your detail. Then only you will be able to get this benefit. Otherwise, as I mentioned, for regular customer, the price remains. Does it come with an extra handpiece in this price? No, it comes with a standard. This price is for the standard configuration of one single handpiece, one IA bimanual, one tip each of 2.8 mm and 2.2 mm, two corresponding sleeves, diathermy, and vitrectomy cutter. If you want extra handpiece, any extra consumable you want, we have decided to be transparent and fair in that front as well. And as that's the reason, what we have done is, if you visit toshipromedicals.com, on the right hand side top corner, you would find a link, buy online. So all consumables, whether it is, even if you want to buy a single sleeve, you can make that purchase online. There would be uniform price. There will be no price variation across the country. Does it come different? Yeah. How is the review for high frequency diathermy? The review has been very good. That is again one more unique feature of Earthly, that is high frequency or radio frequency capsulotomy. Well, it is a device which performs the capsular access. But I would like to make it very clear that this is not the device which you should be conventionally using it, because since it is high frequency or using the radio frequency energy, the margin of the capsule is not as smooth as your conventional capsule. This has its own application in case of difficult cases, like number one, for example, you have patient is highly glucomatic and the pupil is constricted, is not getting properly dilated. You have rhexis phimosis, you have other variants where the corneal opacity is an issue, or in case of juvenile cataract, or the capsule is very fragile, or even in case of you want to do capsular access of the posterior capsule. These are the indicative cases where using RF capsulotomy will make your life much more easy. And there are number of doctors who have bought it and have really experienced worth of it. How is the review of, that I have already answered. Please repeat the price of the machine again. Okay. For Ophthal buying group, the price is 18.65 with 25% down and remaining in 10 PDCs. Any more questions?
Somebody wants to know more about the Pharos and maybe the other product offerings of Coach Pro also.
Well, Pharos is the next level of surgical platform from Earthly. It has both the options. You can buy it only as a anterior segment surgical platform to perform only phaco surgery, or you can also buy it as a combined system. Then it performs both anterior as well as the posterior vitrectomy. For anterior, for phaco surgery, the difference between Catract 3 and Pharos is Pharos has a next generation pump mechanism that also comes with, like Catract 3, that also comes with two pump system, that is peristaltic and SPEED, but both the efficiency and overall fluidics management is much higher and much better in case of Pharos. Second advantage with Pharos is it has got dual linear foot pedals, so which means you can control two parameters simultaneously. For example, you want to have control vacuum or flow rate, and simultaneously you want to activate linearly controlled phaco power. So that both the things are possible. One would be assigned with the horizontal movement, and the second parameter will be assigned to the lateral movement of the foot pattern. So that is again, Pharos has a motorized IV pole for the control of IOP, and for vitrectomy it comes with 10,000 cuts and the most advantageous LED light source. 10 EMI, you mentioned what frequency? It is monthly, equated monthly installment. So it has to be finished. Every month you have to pay equated amount up to 10 months. And besides Oertli, Toshpro, we also represent Heidelberg Engineering for the diagnostic imaging equipment, that is Spectralis OCT, Spectralis OCT and angiography system. And we have Heidelberg has introduced for last around 2 years a wonderful entry chamber analyzer and optical biometer, that is Anterior also. We also have LX range of lasers, where the conventional YAG and multi-spot green lasers are available. LX also has one of the unique device, that is the vitrolysis, that is for the treatment of the floaters, and which has been very well accepted even in India also. Now when we started promoting that maybe more than a year ago, and we already have more than 10 users. It's doing wonderfully good. Treating floaters, otherwise it becomes a surgical process, whereas here it can be done in your OPD itself. So basically, these are the three product line that, and the fourth product line, of course, what we have is the corneal health diagnostic equipment. We represent SDM Systemi. They have very well-known product like OSA and ITRA, which gives you all the corneal health analyzer. And also we have dry eye treatment modality available with us from Expansion, Italy. Regarding the power setting, well, basically, the recommended one is between the 40 to 80% max. So when the unit is installed, our technical team member or the application person will be giving you assistance, and then to optimally set the parameters, because it also depends on your individual surgical technique and style. Does Catrax Easy also have speed? No. Catrax Easy does not have speed. It does not have pneumatic cutter. It does not have ability to take on RF capsular. I would personally suggest that if somebody is planning Catrax Easy, better to go in for Catrax 3, because the price difference is not much, whereas technically it is much more superior product. Catrax Easy has electrical cutter, whereas this has got pneumatic cutter. So that itself, and then there are a lot more advantage, like speed mode is not available with Catrax Easy. Catrax 3 has got, and yeah, even the pump system is also different. Cost of Pharos, only the anterior is 29, anterior posterior combined is 41. Price of Easy for Ophthal is 14.60, 100% advance. There is no deferred payment option available for Catrax Easy. And just since we are discussing the commercials, just a small little thing I would like to mention out here, since as I was telling you all, because of great support of the fraternity today, Catract 3 has become highest selling equipment. So somebody who gives an order today has a minimum waiting time of 6 to 8 months. Our all deliveries are pre-booked at least till 20th of October. So if you are placing an order today, you are likely to get delivery. Because there are two things internationally also. Catract 3 is becoming very well sold modality, and another challenge which we are facing at the moment is still the logistic is still a big issue. I mean, even till today, there is no direct flight operating between Switzerland and Zurich and any of the Indian airports. So it takes usually, it used to be here on third or fourth day after shortly handing over the consignment. These days, it is taking minimum 10 to 12 days because of the flight connectivity issues. So please, if somebody is planning, please plan it in advance and give us sufficient time so that you don't have any issue, we don't have any issue.
I think if there are no more questions, maybe we can ask Mr. Hari Krishnan to just talk about the Aftal buying group, and maybe he will show a demo as to how to actually join the buying group if anybody is not already a member, and then we will close off the meeting. It will just take another 5 minutes and we will close off exactly at 6 o'clock. Mr. Hari, can you share screen and show?
Yes, sir. Good evening, all. Thank you for attending this meeting. So now I will show you how to be a member for Aftal.
So just log on to aftal.in, www.ophthl.in.
Yeah. This you can Aftal.in. You can now register now. You can register for the Aftal event or Aftal membership also. You can OPD membership. In the membership, you'll have the form. You can select and fill the form. In Aftal, we are having free membership, annual membership, premium annual membership. So these are the 3 types of membership we are having. So annual membership is you can view all the discussions, what are the available facilities in OPD club. You can avail all the facilities. For premium annual membership, you can attend the physical conference. When it is happening in physical conference, the registration will be free for the premium annual membership. So if you want to do a trial, you can also choose the free membership. So accept, read and accept terms and conditions, then you can press submit. So it will automatically create a membership for you. After creating, how to log in?
So you will get the password in the either your email, or you have to just check the junk email folder also for the password. In case you don't get the password, you can connect to Mr. Hari to his number is there on the website to get your password also.
Yeah, we are also updating the password to be through SMS also. So it will be done in another few days, 1 or 2 days, or within a week, it will be activated. Through SMS also, you will get a password, or you can change your forget password also. Through SMS, you will get at the earliest.
So you can log in and show the dashboard.
Yes, sir. For login, just press login. I already saved, so it's showing. Just
So you enter your email ID as your username and the password which you have received.
Yeah, email ID is your username. You can type your password and sign in. So here, you can have the helpline number, you can have the toll-free number, our email ID. So your name, with your name, you will get your OBG code, Aftal Buying Group code. So this is the status. Now you can view in your dashboard. So your membership, what type of membership it will display. So you can update your profile. You can change your password. You can change your password. You can view your membership details. So the validity and the other things. You can get messages. So what are the OPD resources? Then you are having blocks. So whenever the blocks return, you can view all the blocks. So you can also view the practice experts, advisors. Then you can view the discussion boards. So whichever topic you are having discussions, the discussions will be updated in our OPD Club website. You can view the discussions. Then we are having OPDs, jobs. So you can, if you are a member, you can post a job. If you want a job, you can also mail us. If you want to recruit a ophthalmologist, you can also post, use the OPD jobs. Any event registration, you can register event registrations. Okay, any webinars or other things. Here you are having bulk purchase. Bulk purchase, that is Aftal Buying Group. Here you can view the OBG member ID 41458. This is your OBG code. So this one you have to be mentioned in all our trade partners purchase. So you will get
Please
the code.
Please click this bulk purchase and show what is.
Yeah. So in bulk purchase, we are having Aftal Buying Group. So you can view the buying group activities. These are the testimonials. Those who are used our buying group, bought equipments. So this is a form. So already you are login. So your name and all already it will be filled. You can just fill your requirement. Just select consumable. If you want whatever you want. For example, if you want any of the, if you want OmniGlow, you want Otley Paco, whichever you want, you can select. Okay. Others you can select, and others you can select, and you can type your requirement. So it will be click the read and terms and conditions and submit. So it will come to our backend. Immediately we will connect you regarding depends upon your requirement. We will connect you and connect to the prospect company.
Yes, sir.
Any
I
doubt
think it was
issues?
pretty descriptive, and we are already 6 o'clock now. So thank you everybody for joining this meeting, and would like to have your feedback about this. And maybe we are thinking of having similar meetings for other equipments also, maybe for OCTs and other things. So based on your feedback, and we can improvise on this program. And thank you for joining, and I hope this has been useful in making your purchase decision. Looking forward to meeting you all maybe after 1 week, and thank you for joining. And I'm sure everybody is now in the practice thing. Thank you for your participation in this program, and good evening and thanks.
Thank you, Kuntal sir. Thank you so much, sir.